Everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care, and today we are talking about how we utilize GPS and dash cam in our company to make sure you're taken care of. We get you better information, and we overall just make sure things are in check even better. So first, this is a major accountability piece. All right, GPS, dash cams is going to give us the ability to know exactly live where our teams are. It's an accountability measure of how well we're maintaining things because it shows our mileage on vehicles, which if we maintain well, that's going to give even better results because we're going to keep things up and running and making sure we're satisfying clients faster and more efficiently. So it's a big accountability metric between the whole team that this is under surveillance and notifications are generated from this. And also the accountability of being safe, because now with the dash cams, there's automatic notifications if people are not paying attention driving, if people don't have seatbelts on, all of these different things, that people are on the phone, and we're wanting to make sure as a team operating in a community that we're doing our part to hold people accountable to make sure everyone is safe overall. From there, it protects your property and it protects our teams. The GPS units is nice just so, one, we can know exactly when it's at a property, exactly what time it entered, exactly what time it left, and that can really help us know and understand, like if there was some kind of issue that came up, something got ran over or broke, did our team do that? Are we accountable for that? Does it show on your property who was the person that showed up, since these are recording all of the time? And so this is a really, really cool tool that makes sure all around things are taken care of. We know where issues, how they've been caused, and we can kind of see that live in progress. So that's been very, very cool. There's been a couple situations where we had a property and we thought we may have damaged something, and there'd be curbing, it got ran over, or something out on the edge of the property, and the camera is easily shows us where we've been and what we're doing. So one, we know if we've done that to maybe your neighbors or whatever the case may be. That's a lot of times what the causes can be. You get in a neighborhood, you have big trucks, you have trailers, and all of a sudden a neighbor has something get damaged and they think it's maybe one of our trucks. We by no means want to skate out of that, but we would just want to know, did we do it or did we not do it? So if we did do it, we can take care of it. And we hate those gray area things. So we want to remove gray area stuff, and that just removes even more fear from that process of getting a project done, about not knowing what it's going to be like. What kind of presentation is there going to be in my neighborhood? What kind of drama is this going to cause with that one neighbor? It protects so many of these things. And finally, one of my favorite pieces, it helps speed up the communication of where is that team member at? What time do you expect them to be at our house? It is near impossible to judge when our teams are going to be out to a project, even when it's the first project of the day, because who knows what material they might need to square away for that project that day and what time is that going to take. Ideally, we want to be out there as soon as possible, but there are so many things, including weather, that can change this. But once we're in progress and we know we're on the way, it's really, really nice that if we want to give a client an update, hey, this person's at the gas station 2 blocks away, we have that information live. We have all of that. So it seams together the logistic part of the company and lets us know exactly when someone's going to be there, when they're already in route. And then it also gives us information about when did we step foot on a property, when did we leave property. Like, it just helps liability all around for our team and the homeowner to understand exactly what we're doing and when we were doing it. We've also had issues where someone was concerned if we were there, and then we have the timestamp of we are there. We have got video of us walking out doing work, and it just really, really helps give clarity. And that's another piece. We want to streamline and make these services easier, more understandable, and we want it to be really easy to check on our team and everybody and get quick answers for you, the client, to make sure you know what's going on as quickly as possible. In an industry with so many variables, that can be really, really hard, and GPS and dash cams are one of those tools that really helps us accomplish that.